What's going on, guys? It is Carlos. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're at the Great Smoky Mountain Jeep Invasion. And just like that, we go from the show to the after party. And just like that, friends, that's a wrap on the Great Smoky Mountain Jeep Invasion. So, yeah, the show is the show. It's the same everywhere else. It's getting to meet and hang out with the awesome people that you've met every single year that keeps us coming back. So, with that said, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and drop a comment if you were here and I missed you, all of that good stuff. I look forward to seeing you guys next year, and until then, we'll see you in the next video. And in case you guys were wondering, this is where the rainwater was coming that those people were dancing in. Right off of the bridge. Yeah, kind of gross.